Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Amazon returned items for cheap. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Now, to find returned items, click on the All button at the top left next to the Amazon logo. When the menu opens, scroll down until you reach the Programs and Features section. Click See All to expand it. From the list, select Amazon Outlet. This is where you'll find discounted and overstocked items. Once inside the Amazon outlet, look for the Amazon Resale category and click on it. This section features products that were returned by customers, often in great condition, either like new, gently used, or open box. Amazon usually inspects and tests these items before listing them, and each listing includes a detailed condition note. As you browse, take your time comparing prices and item conditions. When you find a product that fits your needs and budget, simply add it to your cart and proceed to checkout like you normally would. And that's it. So that is how you can buy Amazon returned items for cheap. So that's all for this video. Thanks.